Hi everyone, I'm Brandon Senese. I'm a principal technical consultant from Pathways Consulting Group, and I wanted to share with everybody the cool solution that I made for scheduled reports. So we all know scheduled reports, right? It's that baseline functionality in ServiceNow that lets you pick a report and generate it in the method of your choosing at an interval of your choosing as well. So it could be weekly, it could be daily, and we all know that that's a point in time. But but the one drawback of this functionality is it doesn't let us use the strength of dynamic glide system functionality like get user ID. So we can't dynamically generate data for a specific person in that method. But my solution thinks of a way, or rather shows you a way, to use this awesome scheduled reporting functionality with the ability to use your glide system and JavaScripting abilities. So take a look at the below and hopefully you find it useful. Thank you.